So first what you need to do is ensure you have the Coinbase application installed on your device. Open the app and locate the search bar positioned at the top center of your screen. Type in Bitcoin Cash or use its abbreviation BCH to find the correct cryptocurrency. Be careful to select the right cryptocurrency to avoid purchasing the wrong asset. Once you found Bitcoin Cash, tap on it to access its trading interface. You will see price charts and various trading options for this cryptocurrency. Locate and tap the buy and sell option at the bottom left of your screen. Select the buy option to begin the purchasing process for Bitcoin Cash. Enter the dollar amount you wish to spend, such as $10 in the amount field. After entering your desired amount, tap Review Order to verify your transaction details. Choose your payment method by tapping Pay with at the bottom of your screen. You can select Apple Pay or add a new payment method like a credit card. To add your credit card, tap Add Payment Method in the center of your screen. Follow the prompts to securely link your credit card information to your Coinbase account. When everything looks correct, tap Buy Now to complete your Bitcoin Cash purchase. And that's how you buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Coinbase.